Hello, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I would like to share some key insights on business planning for poultry farming. First of all, let's see how to develop a comprehensive business plan. A well-structured business plan is the foundation of a successful poultry farming operation. It helps you set clear goals, allocate resources effectively, and attract investors or lenders. Here's how to create a comprehensive business plan. At first, cost analysis. Starting with startup costs. Include expenses for land, housing, equipment, birds, feed, and labor. Then, operational costs. Cover ongoing expenses such as feed, utilities, veterinary care, and marketing. And, contingency funds. Set aside funds for unexpected expenses like disease outbreaks or equipment repairs. Then, you need to consider revenue streams. Identify all potential sources of income, such as direct sales, fresh eggs, meat, and even byproducts such as manure for fertilizer. Then, value-added products. Processed or packaged products like ready-to-cook meal kits and organic egg cartons. And other additional services. Educational workshops or farm tours can supplement income. Moving on to another crucial fact of revenue streams, which is break-even analysis. Calculate the point at which your revenue equals your costs, indicating when your farm will start making a profit. Use this analysis to set realistic production and sales targets. Now, I would like to talk about financial management and budgeting. Effective financial management ensures the sustainability and growth of your poultry farm. Key practices include budgeting. Create a detailed budget outlining expected income and expenses. Regularly review and adjust the budget as needed. Include contingency funds for unexpected expenses such as disease outbreaks or equipment repairs. Then, record keeping. Maintain accurate records of all financial transactions, including sales, purchases, and expenses. This could be as simple as a spreadsheet or as advanced as specialized farm management software. And, cash flow management. Monitor cash flow to ensure you have enough working capital to cover daily expenses, particularly during the early stages when revenue may be low. Now, I would like to share a case study. A poultry startup in Yorkshire created a comprehensive business plan and budget, which included detailed projections of feed costs, utility expenses, and anticipated sales revenue. With regular financial reviews and adjustments, they reached their break-even point within 18 months and were able to secure a small business loan for further expansion. I hope this part of the section has helped you understand more about business planning. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay connected.